Wala mang bagyo pero pinapa-alerto pero ng mga kakabayan natin na maapektuhan ng malalakas na pag-ulan ngayong araw dulot ng mga weather system na umiiral sa ating bansa. Amihan at Shearlyn Perrin ang patuloy na nagpapaulan sa bansa ngayon. Paghandaan ang biglaang pagbaha o pagguho ng lupa. Narito ang Rainfall Advisory. Visayas Thunderstorm Advisory. Issued Thursday, January 9, 2025. Moderate to heavy rain showers with lightning and strong winds due to thunderstorms are expected over Southern Leyte, Silago, Sogod, Libagon, St. Bernard, Liloan, San Francisco, San Ricardo, Pintuyan, Leyte, Abuyog, Mahaplag, Samar, Santa Rita, Villarreal, San Sebastian, Yabong, San George, Gandara, Santa Margarita, Tarangnan, Pagsanghan, Catbalogan City, Zumaraga, Daram, and nearby areas within 30 minutes to an hour. The above conditions are being experienced in Southern Leyte, San Juan, Anahawan, Hinundayan, Hinunangan, Samar, portion of Calbayog City, Santo Niño, Almagro, Tagapulan, which may persist within 1 to 2 hours and may affect nearby areas. Visayas Heavy Rainfall Warning. Weather System, Shearline. Issued Thursday, January 9, 2025. Orange Warning Level. Eastern Samar. Flooding is threatening in low-lying areas and landslides in mountainous areas. Yellow Warning Level. Samar, Paranas, Hinabangan, Matuginaw, San Jose de Buan, Basay, Pinabacdao, Calbiga, Motiong. Flooding is possible in low-lying areas and landslides in mountainous areas. Mindanao Thunderstorm Advisory. Issued at 11:15 a.m. January 9, 2025. Moderate to occasionally heavy rain showers with lightning and strong winds are being experienced in Zamboanga del Norte, Pres, Manuela, Rojas, Katipunan, Dipolog City, Polanco, Dapitan City, Sibutad, Rizal, La Libertad, Misamis Occidental, Sapangdalaga, Balyangaw, Claridel, Calamba, Lopez Haina, Oroquieta City, Aloran, Don Victoriano Yongbihan, Bonifacio, Tangub City, Osamis City, Misamis Oriental, Tinugitan, Balinguan, Talisayan, Medina, Hingoog City, Bukidnon, Quezon, Kitaw-Taw, Davao Occidental, Malita, Dun Marcelino, Josibad Santos, Sarangani, Alabel, Malapatan and Malungon, which may persist within 1 hanggang 2 hours and may affect nearby areas. Light to moderate rain showers with lightning and strong winds are expected over Zamboanga del Norte, Baligyan, Zamboanga Sibugay, Titay, Naga, Cabasalan, Payao, Alicia, Olutanga, Agusan del Norte, Buena Vista, Las Nieves, Agusan del Sur, Esperanza, San Luis, Rosario, Bunawan, Trento, Santa Josefa, Bukidnon, Malitbog, Impasugong, Surigao del Sur, San Agustin, Lianga, Hinatuan, Tagbina, City of Bislig, Davao Joro, Laak, Moncayo, Davao Oriental, Boston, City of Mati, Governor Generoso, Tarragona, Manay, Caraga, Katiel, Baganga, and Sarangani, Glan, within the next 1 hanggang 2 hours. Manatiling nakatutok sa Weather Balita para sa bago pang updates. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.